subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon. Thank you. Governor Obaseki opens up on certificates chances after PDP screening today. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) on Saturday screened Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki. The party's primary election scheduled to hold on Thursday, June 25th. Governor Obaseki was screened at the party's headquarters in Abuja. After he was questioned by the Kingsley Chinda-led screening committee, Obaseki commended the party for the exercise, expressing optimism that he will secure a PDP ticket. He said that the screening exercise was fair and professional. I saw objectivity in it. Obaseki noted he was not a divisive candidate, adding that he was speaking with all the aspirants. My hope and purpose for the PDP is to have a united and a very strong party. He said party primary should not be divisive because we as a party are focused on the same objective. But because we are individuals, our approaches may be different. The governor did their common grounds, common interest, and I'm very hopeful that I will get it, even as there are quite a number of delegates for the exercise, he said. On credentials, Obaseki said he presented his certificates. My secondary school, higher school, university, and my National Youth Service certificate, so that they can look at them and see if there is any inconsistencies. Asked if he still enjoyed the sympathy of All Progressive Congress (APC) governors, Obaseki said he enjoyed national support, not just support from his colleagues from the APC. The governor said there are elder statesmen who are apolitical. There are traditional rulers. I have people from different spectrums of the society who come around on solidarity with me. Obaseki stressed that Nigerians are generally fair-minded people. He noted that they do not accept injustice, added that from what I have seen over the past few weeks and months, the support is just across the board. It is not just from APC governors alone. The PDP governors pray for Governor Obaseki to emerge as the Edo Guber candidate. Governors elected on the platform of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) have assured the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki of a level playing ground on the party's primary poll slated for Thursday and prayed God to grant him success. Obaseki formally joined the PDP on Friday following his exit from the All Progressive Congress (APC), and he was granted waiver by the PDP National Working Committee (NWC) to contest the primaries ahead of the Edo governorship election slated for September 19th. The PDP Governors Forum, in a statement on Saturday by its Director General, Honorable CID Madabum, said, "As you subject yourself to the forthcoming primaries of the party, we wish you success and God's blessings and guidance." The governors welcomed Obaseki and urged him to use the PDP as a vehicle to enthrone rapid economic, social, and infrastructural development in Edo State. And that is the news coming from Edo State, coming directly from Governor Godwin Obaseki, who is seeking for a rerun of election as the governor of Edo State. As you can see, Governor Obaseki is so optimistic when it comes to PDP primaries. In his words, he said, expressing optimism that he will secure the PDP ticket, that he saw objectivity in it. But if you could recall what happened when he went for APC screening, when he came out from the screening panel area, he was so pessimistic, like he doesn't know whether the election will favor him. If I'm to say, it's as if Obaseki saw the future. It's as if he knew that it would not favor him, and he still forged ahead to do what is required of him without being discouraged or looking back. You permit me to take some of the comments from Nigerians. Someone said, "Good one, Obaseki, kudos to you. I pray you return for your second tenure as the governor of Edo State. we are solely behind you. Then another comment I have here said, Obaseki, my man, welcome to PDP, God bless you. Then the last comment I have here said, thank God you finally left those bunch of APC criminals that occupy the seat of power in Nigeria. You did a better job, my brother. You too can as well become part of this discussion by dropping your opinion and what you think concerning this at the comment section. But please do subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell icon to get notified whenever we make a new upload. See you in my next video. Thank you.